Understanding clauses for IELTS success. Improving your grammar skills is crucial for success in the IELTS test, and understanding the word clause is a key part of this. Today, we will learn about clauses and how to use them correctly. Word type: clause is a noun, meaning a clause is a group of words that includes a subject and a verb. It forms part of a sentence and can sometimes stand alone as a complete sentence. Word history: the word clause comes from the Latin word clausula, which means a conclusion or an end. This origin helps us remember that a clause is a unit that completes a part of a sentence. Antonyms: while clause does not have direct antonyms, we can contrast it with words like phrase or word, which are smaller units of language. Synonyms: some related words to clause include section, part, or component when talking about sentences. Examples used in sentences. Here are some examples of how to use clause in sentences. First, the contract had a clause about overtime pay. Second, in sentence I ate dinner after I finished work, there are two clauses. Third, the main clause of a sentence contains the primary subject and verb. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing a clause with a phrase. Remember, a clause always has both a subject and a verb, while a phrase might not. Understanding clauses will help you construct more complex and varied sentences in your IELTS writing and speaking tasks. It will also improve your reading comprehension. Practice identifying clauses in your reading and try to use them confidently in your own sentences. This will boost your grammar skills and help you achieve a higher band score in IELTS.